Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for our upcoming videos. Today's topic in the data science series is
Now I just restarted the kernel. Let's see the columns, rows and cells. Now let's see the first row. As we all know, the Python starts counting from 0. If you are new to Python, we will start a new series on Python in the upcoming videos. LOC used to get the subset using the index value, like this is called the index value, and using that index value, LOC used to get the row. Let's run this. Yes, this is the first row of the dataset that we are using now. The auction ID, the bid time, bidder rate, open bid, price and item. All these belongs to the first row. And now let's see the 100th row. As said before, Python A starts counting from the 0th position. Now data.loc of 99, because as 0 is the first position, 99 will be the 100th position. And let's run this. So enter. Yeah, you can see this is the 100th row. And now let's see the last row of the data. Let's run this. Here you can see its index value is 10,680. Let's see. Let me do one thing. Let's see the shape so that you can know how many rows are there. There are a total of 10,681 rows and 9 columns. As the count starts from 0th position, 10,680 is the last row. So this is the last row. Let's see multiple rows. Here I am subsetting the data with one first row, 10,000 and 10,000 rows. Let's run this. Here you can see the data. Sorry, here is the second one, here is the 1001th one, and here is the 10,001th one, as the count starts from the 0th position. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the 1001th one, and this is the 10,000th. Let's run again. Data dot loc of 0, 999 and 999. Enter. You can see this is the first row, this is the 1000th row, and this is the 10,000th row. Sorry for the. Let's use Iloc. It uses the subset. It is used to subset the rows using the row number to get the 100th row. The 100th row in the LOC and non-LOC, ILOC is the same. And let's see the ILOC. Last row using ILOC. Here we got the last row, that is 10,680th row. As said before, here we have a total of 10,681 rows and 9 columns. So here we can easily find out the 10,680th row using ILOC. But we can pass -1 to the last row in ILOC, but it will not work in LOC location. Let's see this so that you will have a better idea. Here we got an exception that -1 is not in the range. The above exception was directed following exception. Let's see the cause. Key error is -1. Let's see the subsetting columns. Here we all know that if you are new to Python, we will start a new session, or else we all know that Python uses column for slicing. If we use only the column, means it is choosing all the data. The subsetting the data using LOC, it takes all the rows. Let's run this. See here, you have got all the rows from 0 to 10,681, that is total of 10,681 rows. And here I am taking 2 columns that are bid and bidder rate. Let's see one thing. Data.loc column. Here I use the just column, so I got the old data set. Subset the columns using ILOC. It uses the integer values, whereas in LOC we use the column names in the form of strings, but whereas in ILOC it allows the integers like 2, 3 and 4. It's bid time and bidder. Bid time, bidder and bidder rate. Let's run this so that we can understand it better way. Bidder time, bidder and bidder rate. So that you can see here the second column is bid time, bidder and bidder rate. This is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. We are giving the integer positions of the columns. Second column is bid time, third one is the bidder, and fourth one is the bidder rate. It takes all the locations from 0 to 10,680th row as we have given column here. Now let's see using a range functionality. Here I am taking a range of 0 to 3 values in the form of list, and I am running this. The 0th column is action ID, the first column is bid, the second column is bid time, and the third column is bid time. And again I use the column here so that it takes all the rows starting from 0 to 10,680th position. Now subset the rows and columns. Like here I have given the 20, means it is the 21st row, and I am taking the bid column, so it will run. Let me show it. Sorry, let's take here only data.loc of 20. Here you can see that the action ID, this is the 21st row as the count starts from 0th position. Action ID bid, here I am taking the bid value of 21st row, that is the 20. This is equal to 200. Let's subset the multiple rows and columns. We can use column numbers for that using ILOC. As I said before, we use the integers in ILOC and the strings in LOC. Let's differentiate it. Here I am choosing the first, second and third, that is second, third and fourth rows, and I am choosing the columns of positioned 4, 5 and 6, that is bidder rate, open bid and price. We can use column names because as said before, ILOC uses the integers and LOC uses the strings. Let's run this. Here I am taking the bid, bidder rate and action type. We can also use the range. I am starting the range from third row to fifth row. This is the third row, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. The bid, here the grouped means. Here starts the grouped means, like if you want to group a particular set of data based on a particular item, like group all the students based on their gender, group all the students based on their location, and grouping all those bits based on the data based on the auction type, and calculating the mean of the bid value. So let's run this. Here you can see that there are three types of auction types. One is the 3-day auction, 5-day auction and 7-day auction. This is the average bid value, like one set 166.12, 230 and 214 are the average bid values. We can also calculate multiple groupings, like I can group action type and item. So let's run this. Action type and item. Find the bidder rate. Sorry, I have done a spelling mistake. It's DD. Here you can see the action type for 3-day auction. There are three items: the wristwatch, Palm Pilot and the gaming console. This is the average bid value and this is the average bidder rate. This is the same for same process happens for the 5-day auction and the 7-day auction. It calculates the average mean of bid value and the bidder rate. Now I have taken this into a subset. Sorry, again this is the mistakes. This is the data I am taking into a variable called mul group to normalize the view, because you see here it is not the normalized view, so I want to normalize the data view. So here I am running this. Yes, here you can see the index position is each one having a particular index, and the data table is also normalized. We use the reset index function to normalize the data.
Here are some of the slicing and group by techniques. Please follow us for more videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon for upcoming notifications and follow the series. Thank you.